Hi guys! Once again, this is Tita Pinay. I am going to show you kind of a secret garden that I see here in this botanical garden, okay? And this is the gate. Yeah, okay, I'm gonna... Okay. Oh, Tita Vinny is here. Secret garden. Secret garden. You see the trees, the tall trees. A bench. Spots that we can go walk around. And it's a nice tree, evergreen tree. And then let's go this way. You could hear the sound of nature. Trail. This is just inside the secret garden here. There's another one in here. If you want to sit, oh, there's another bench. Isn't that beautiful? Color of the leaves are beautiful. That's why I like fall. It's just that we can copy colors, but somehow fall, even though we can copy colors, yet nature at its best, we still cannot copy it. We might be able to copy close, but not too close. Okay, and I'm gonna show you. See, look at the picture. And I'm gonna show you how tall the trees are. Alright. Isn't that tall? Alrighty. Okay. And here comes Tita Vinny. Hi, Tita Vinny. And look how big this tree is. This tree is huge. Okay. Okay, my friends. For now I'm gonna go because I'm gonna walk faster, and I'm saving my the battery. Okay, I need to charge my cell phone. But anyway, thank you so much for watching this video, and please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button so that we can grow our community together. You know, the more the merrier. And again, one more time, I would say God bless and all the best for you. Take it away. Peace.